Hi Disney friends, it's Kathryn with Passport to the Magic. We are so excited to share info with you about Disney Genie Plus, which launched just yesterday. Stay tuned for a guide showing you exactly how to reserve your Lightning Lane selections. And did you know that Genie Plus is more than just ride selections? There are also augmented reality lenses, filters, and audio tales that are available throughout the day of your visit. All of this is available for $15 per person per day. So let's get started. Genie Plus is a brand new expedited attraction access service that is offered through your My Disney Experience app. Guests who purchase this service for $15 plus tax per person per day can schedule the next available Lightning Lane arrival time window for more than 40 attractions throughout the 4 Walt Disney World theme parks. Guests can have one Genie Plus Lightning Lane arrival window scheduled at a time. Once the current Lightning Lane arrival time has been used, guests can schedule their next one. This will continue throughout the day until the park closes or until there are no arrival time windows left to book. Genie Plus Lightning Lane is a one-time per ride or attraction use each day, meaning guests cannot schedule a second arrival time for the same ride on the same day. So now, let me show you exactly how to make these selections. From the home screen, click on My Day to bring you to the Disney Genie screen. There are 2 tabs, Tipboard and My Day. Go ahead and click on Tipboard. This will bring up your park for the day and show you all the available rides, current wait times, and Lightning Lane return times. As you scroll through the rides, you will notice that each park has 2 rides, the most popular rides, that are labeled individual Lightning Lane. These rides are not included with Genie Plus service. You can purchase these individually for an additional fee or just wait in the regular standby line. We will be doing another video all about individual Lightning Lane attractions. As you are scrolling, be sure to pay attention to current wait times. We don't recommend using a Genie Plus selection for rides that only have a 5 or 10 minute wait. Keep in mind what part of the park you are heading to and what are priority rides for your family. Once you decide which selection you would like, click on Book Experience, and Genie will confirm your return time. We chose Buzz Lightyear, which we can return to in 40 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to ride People Mover, head to Carousel of Progress, and have some laughs at Monsters, Inc. Laugh Floor. Your Genie Plus Lightning Lane arrival window will now appear in the My Day tab. When it's time to head to your selection, you will enter the Lightning Lane queue. At this time, you will scan your Magic Band, Magic Mobile, or Key to the World card at the entrance and then one more time in the queue before riding. Once you have finished your ride, you are ready to make your next selection. Disney Genie Plus is here to grant your wishes and help you to experience more magic, more rides, and more attractions, all while spending less time waiting in line. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your friends and be sure to hit subscribe for some more Disney vacation planning fun.